Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the last trading day of the month and the last trading day of the week, 30th of April, Blessing Friday 2021. And we had an amazing volatility today, guys, and most of my traders bank 100 plus pips today. Even one of the traders make 300 pips today. Let me share with you how I help those traders through live intraday analysis in real time to bank amazing pips today and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. Just quickly recap, traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade and provide a live intraday analysis through this platform, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move on to three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at in the 4-hour, guys, you can see here today we were short, and in my previous analysis, as I mentioned you, the price respected this resistance. Today we were waiting if the price gonna break this previous low, then we're gonna be keep taking a pullback short trade here. Even if you look at here, this was the triangle pattern, beautiful breakout today, and we had a beautiful, you can see here, amazing rally today. We had this breakout this morning, New York session, this pullback and this pullback. As you can see, price nicely hit to the final target, bank amazing pips. Let me share with you the analysis, guys. As you can see here, as I mentioned you, based on the 4-hour this morning, as you can see here, let me make it slightly bigger so you can see here, this morning just before London Open, we did this analysis because we were looking this breakout in 4-hour. So based on that, we have this breakout. You can see here, as soon as the price hit to the first target, bank some profit. At the New York session, just before the opening bell, I did another analysis. If the price is going to respect this orange EMA, take another pullback based on the momentum. You can see here, pullback, another pullback announced through live ID commentary, bank beautiful, another target hit. So we had amazing volatility and amazing pips on EURUSD. Let me share with you now in 4-hour, the pound dollar, sorry. In pound dollar, you can see here that yesterday, as you have seen in my previous analysis, the market was consolidated. We were looking this breakout. If you look at technically, this is impulsive correction and impulsive. This is the bull flag pattern and this is the false breakout. And that's what I communicate with my traders. If the price gonna break, then we're expecting nice short trade, which we had it. As you can see here, beautiful. You can see here, nice rally. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Pound dollar, if you look at this morning, this was the analysis. Price was consolidation. At this, if you look at here in 4-hour, this is the consolidation. And intraday, this is the consolidation. We had this breakout, and as explained to my trader, pullback, any pullback, as long as the price gonna hit again this orange EMA, we're gonna be keep taking a pullbacks. We have one pullback, one breakout, 1, 2 pullback. This is another breakout. As you can see here, previous low broken. We're giving all that information through communicating through live ID commentary with my traders of bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. And this was another analysis at the New York session. You can see here, look for another pullback based on the analysis. You can see here, price nicely respected this blue fib channel. Beautiful, beautiful. And then afterwards, once we bank some profit, then I also update analysis as soon as the price develop another pattern. You can see here another triangle pattern at this level, broken. And then afterwards another when the price broke on the previous low. And also announced this one through live ID commentary, look for another pullback. As soon as the price developed double bottom, explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here, we really enjoyed it. All this really in 4-hour. Beautiful pips today on pound dollar. Let me share with you the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had it only one trade, I think. Let me share with you. Dollar CAD, we have only one trade. That was the breakout in 4-hour. You can see this was the breakout, and as soon as the price hit this level, and we announced to bank some profit, which is hit the 200 EMA. Technically this was the breakout, and this was the breakout, and as soon as the price hit here in 4-hour previous high, we announced to bank some profit. And if you look at here, we had this analysis this morning, breakout and pullback. You can see breakout, pullback. Then I also updated that analysis, the New York session, which was pretty straightforward breakout and beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. All right, guys, so we had amazing any pairs. If you look at Aussie dollar, you had a beautiful rally. This was a pretty straightforward breakout. If you look at here, let me share with you the analysis. You can see here this morning we had this analysis, breakout, and afternoon at the New York session, pullback, short trade. So you can see all of the pairs, pound, yen. You can see here we really enjoyed it. Let me share with you the pound, yen, and euro yen. Euro yen, if you look at yesterday, as I mentioned you about this counter short trade, so we were short whole day on euro yen. We were also short on pound yen whole day, as I mentioned you yesterday. If you haven't seen my analysis, we were short as soon as I'm explained to my trader if the price is gonna fail to maintain this level. You can see here rejection, and after this bearish engulfing candle, we were short whole day, and we were enjoying it short on pound yen, euro yen, pound dollar, euro USD. As I said to you guys, one of my traders banked 300 pips. That you can see here, he made it, he really enjoyed it. 300 pips today, and most of them were short in it. Let me share with you the history. We had a very interesting fun today. As you can see here, he made it like short 35 pips, 35 euro yen, pound yen, all short trades. And if I show you here, most of them is pullback. You can see here from yesterday, pullback, and it was holding that trade and banked beautiful pips. So he was around 211 pips this afternoon. So I said to him, just make it 250. So he tried it to make it 250, because for us is a, pips is a number game. So he tried it, he failed, he lost around about 3 times on pound Swiss franc. So then he recovered it. Then I said, okay, he made it around about 260 pips. I said, okay, let's make it 300. So he made it, the last trade he took it along on dollar CAD. If I show you here, guys, you can see here, this was the, as soon as the price, let me share with you the based on the analysis, you can see here the price broken, and after the breakout retest, and he took a trade. As soon as he hit the 300 figures, he closed his trades. You can see here it took a 10 pips, 16 pips, and 5 pips on dollar CAD and banked 300 pips, and job done. You can see all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast and the shares with all our traders. So I hope, guys, you're enjoying it. If you would like to see all these analyses in real time, and if you would like to interested to make these type of pips every single day, guys, as I said to you, my main objective is to train and coach traders through live trading environment, through live intraday analysis in the real time, so that they can understand and develop their trading skills effectively. And if they develop trading skill and produce good result, these type of pips, definitely we can arrange trading funds for them. If you are interested how we train, how we coach, and how we fund our trader, feel free, book one-to-one free consultation. My availability link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader and would like to bank these type of pips every single day, as you have seen, this is all pure price action. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.